Good morning guys, and in front of me is Samsung S25 FE, and let me show you how to check for software updates. So at first, unroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select software update and mark download and install. So now your device will be scanned for the update. Just wait and you will be informed if there is any new version available. In my case there is not, like as you can see my software is up to date, so this is the first information. The other option is that you will notice that there is new some numbers version available, and you will be able to update it straight from this panel. Here you will have the button to tap just to update it. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.